In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Evernote to create, organize, and find notes with ease. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone trying to keep your life organized, this guide will help you make the most of this powerful tool. First things first, let's start by creating your very first note. To do this, launch the Evernote app on your preferred device. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or a mobile device like iOS or Android, or even accessing it through the web, the process is consistent. Once you're logged in, look for the plus New Note button. Give it a click or tap, and you're ready to get started. Now, assign a meaningful title to your note and begin typing. The beauty of Evernote is that it automatically saves your content, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Now that we have a note to work with, let's talk about enriching it with content. Evernote is not just about text. It offers a variety of features to bring your notes to life. You can use text, add checkboxes, and utilize a rich array of formatting tools such as bold text, lists, and bullet points to keep your notes structured and easy to read. Besides text, you can attach files to your notes, including PDFs, images, and even voice recordings. For those of you who work directly from the web, Evernote has a fantastic web clipper extension for your browser that allows you to save web content directly into your notes, seamlessly integrating your online discoveries with your personal notes. Once you've created and contented your notes, it's time to organize them. Think of notebooks in Evernote like folders on your computer. They allow you to group related notes together, creating a system that's both intuitive and easy to navigate. Beyond notebooks, Evernote allows you to use tags. Tags act as labels that you attach to notes. They're extremely helpful for searching across different notebooks. You can also take it a step further by stacking notebooks, which is a way to group them under broader categories. For example, a work stack might contain separate notebooks for Project A and Project B, keeping everything tidy. The power of Evernote isn't just in storing information, but in being able to quickly retrieve it. Use the robust search bar to find notes by keyword, tag, title, or even text that appears within images and PDFs, thanks to Evernote's optical character recognition feature. For searches you perform frequently or that are particularly complex, consider saving them in the Saved Searches area. This allows you to access those results instantly, saving you precious time and effort. That's it for today. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Evernote and organizing your digital life efficiently. Happy note-taking!